Hello everyone. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. Scorpio, what's the messages for you? I think there is separation between both of you guys in recent past or in near or recent past or for something. Definitely the separation is happened right now. The separation is going between both of you. For some in recent past there is separation between both of you. I think you maybe walked away from your person or your person maybe walked away. I think it's you. What I'm getting here, Scorpio. You have strong emotions for your person, still you walked away because there is no equal give and take, there is no commitment. For some it could be third party situation also, because Pisces, the moon is here. Definitely your person may be hiding something from you. There are some secrets hidden in this connection, that's why you walked away. But now they are coming back with King of Cups. Yeah, they want to offer love this time, their love to you. But you stand by your power, things are turning in your favor. Now you are in this, yeah, you stand by your power definitely, and things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. Yeah, I think your person may be obsessed with you. Your person could be Capricorn also. Definitely devil energy. There is some resistance in this connection or obsession. I think your person may be obsessed with you. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings, and but you are holding back your feelings. What I'm seeing here, Scorpio, even though you have feelings, because you don't, there are some trust issues also between both of you. You don't trust your person, you don't trusting them, right? You don't trust them right now because they did something to you past, in past. That's why you are not trusting them right now. But they want brand new beginnings. For some, you started something new in your life and you are going with the flow. Yeah, you stand by your power. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. What I'm seeing here, because you are super stable and you are investing your energy on yourself. For some it could be new person also coming towards you. They have strong emotions for you. Yeah, for some, someone new is coming towards you. That person is very good person and honest person according to this. For some, your past person is coming in your way. Only one person for some. Definitely this time they want to offer stability. This time they are very obsessed with you. They are wondering about you a lot. They wonder about you, they are wondering about you a lot. And but you are holding back your feelings. What I'm seeing here, you don't want to express your feelings even though you have feelings for your person. But at end of the day, what is going between both of you is you stand by your power. They are coming back now. They want to offer stability, but things are turning in your favor, Scorpio. What I'm seeing here, Wheel of Fortune is in your side. Definitely things are turning out in your favor. Yeah. So your person could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or especially Pisces or Capricorn, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings. Queen of Wands, Gemini, the Lovers. Your person could be Gemini, and Four of Swords. Yeah, right now they are not talking to you. I think there is no contact between both of you. Your person may be undergoing some healing process. Yeah, you walked away, and definitely they are thinking about new beginnings with you. They are coming back, but very slow moving energy. Knight of Cups is there. Yeah, very slow moving energy. And the Lovers, your person could be Gemini also, and Queen of Wands. There is a lot of passion between both of you. I think your person loves you definitely because the lovers is there, the Gemini. But right now they are not talking to you but thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they are wondering about you a lot. Queen of Wands. I think some communication, you can expect some message, but not now, but later sometime after healing. Queen of Wands, definitely passion. Yeah, they are wondering about you a lot. So let's see the near future actions towards you. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Scorpio. What's going on? God's not listening to my words. They just lot of energy. So the near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Let's see. Four of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and Six of Wands. Yeah, they want success in this connection, and they want. I think you both could be twin flames also. 11 and 11 and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to share their love with you. Yeah, they're thinking about reconciliation with you. Definitely they want a family with you. They want this happiness with you. Four of Wands, celebration, and Six of Wands. Yeah, they want success with you. Right now your person wondering about you a lot. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. Definitely they are coming back. They have strong emotions for you, but they are in very slow moving energy. Right now your person undergoing some healing process. Once the healing completed, definitely they will make a move towards you. Definitely they will make some efforts towards you. Okay, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on, and outcome, Scorpio. What's going on? Lot of cards, that's why I'm not taking any. Okay, let's see the outcome. Yeah, separation, suffering in silence. Yeah, they want to express their feelings to you. They are suffering in silence. Your person, mutual energies, and outcome, Scorpio. Let's see this side, outcome. Yeah, you have options. I want one more card. Yeah, I think you are feeling overburdened right now, and your person may be feeling that you will reject their offer when they come towards you because they are suffering in silence. Definitely some communication is coming in your way. They want reconciliation for sure, but I think you have options also. But right now you are very busy, you are overburdened due to family responsibilities, whatever that you are right now feeling overburdened. Okay, and Four of Cups. Definitely you are, for some you are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. I think for some your person fantasizing about you a lot. Definitely they are suffering in silence and they are wondering about you a lot. Yeah, they want to express their true feelings to you, Scorpio. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, definitely some communication coming in your way, and you both will communicate. They want to they will express their feelings to you. Then it's up to you what to do, what not to do. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Scorpio. Ace of Pentacles, Three of Swords, the Sun, and Five of Wands. Definitely your person, there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person, and they are ready to fight for your attention. The Sun, and for some it could be some third party involved, children's also involved in this connection. You are also heartbroken, but something very stability, very promising is coming in your way. Definitely they want to offer stability this time. So you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person overall energy. Emperor, Queen of Cups, Magician, and Nine of Cups. Yeah, they are wishing for reconciliation. They hoping that you will give second chance to them. And Magician, yeah, they are manifesting you back again in their life. They want to win you back because Six of Wands. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. Queen of Cups, the Emperor. Yeah, this time they want to offer stability. This time they want to They want to be honest with you. They want, okay? So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely they have strong emotions. They want to communicate you, and they are suffering in silence. They are wondering about you a lot. Yeah, they want to win you back again in their life. What I'm seeing here, definitely. For some, your person feeling overburdened when they are thinking about you because they are missing you so much. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.